Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with PartnerStack for SaaS referral tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with PartnerStack for SaaS referral tracking, begin by visiting the PartnerStack website. Click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the homepage. Fill in the registration form with your company details and email address. Choose a secure password and agree to the terms of service. Submit the registration form to create your account. Once registered, log in to your PartnerStack account. Navigate to the dashboard to access the main features. On the left sidebar, click on Integration. Search for your SaaS platform in the integration options. Select your platform and click on the Connect button. You will be directed to a setup screen. Follow the prompts to input your API key or any necessary credentials. Ensure your accounts are properly linked by following the verification steps. Now, create a referral program by clicking on Programs in the dashboard. Select Create New Program to initiate the setup process. Provide details such as program name, commission structure, and payout terms. Customize any additional settings, like branding and communication preferences. Once your program is set up, save the changes. Next, go to the Referral Links section. Generate unique referral links. Distribute these links to your partners through email or other communication channels. Monitor the performance of your referral program through the Analytics dashboard. Check metrics like clicks, conversions, and partner performance regularly. Make adjustments to your program as needed based on this data. In case of any issues, consult the PartnerStack Help Center for support. This guide will help you effectively connect with PartnerStack for your SaaS referral tracking needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.